I'm walking through bank of the riverside. It's a one kind of stream river. Before 2 days ago, this river looked like very dangerous, but right now the river going down very quickly. That's why I'm walking and for the swimming in here. You can see in my front of side, it's kind of very deep side. Usually I'm using for this side for the swimming. That's why I'm going to there. I have a request for you and I have advice for you. Don't try this. You don't have a skill. You don't know how to swim into the river. First of all, you need to learn how to swim into the river, and then you are going outside. The river looks like so quiet and very charming, and I think it's enough for me for the swimming. I can feel today is very sunny day, and in the side I'm feeling very good. Just look at the side. In my very near side, it's a huge pineapple garden, and look at this side. It's called one kind of stream river. I believe that it's one kind of very flowing very fast in this river. I'm going outside. I'm not going outside like that. I'm going over there, that side, and I'm ready for this today's adventure. Hey, how are you all? I think you're doing so well. Look, I have a mark, my legs mark into sloppy swell, and I'm walking through very slowly. I'm feeling so good. My legs are right now in the counts. When you are thinking you are sitting just counts like that, my legs are into the count. Oh, are you feeling so tired? But I'm not feeling so tired because I'm in here, one of the very largest sandy beaches in here. I have a reason. That's why I don't introduce you to in this place, and I don't mention what it's called and what's the names of this place. It's secret. Just look at this outside. It's one very sweetie place. Look over there. I'm in here right now, font area, and it's one kind of huge pond in here. And just wow, the soil is very sloppy. My legs are going into dive in this soil. Look at this. It's a result of flash flood. That's why it's called landslide. Do you know really? Some of people don't know really what is landslide. Look at this side. It's called landslide. What a huge area. The lands are fall out, and I'm just standing by the pond side. Look at this pond. The pond is full of pieces. It's my uncle's pond. He's also a pond keeper. He has his own pond. He's the owner in this pond, and in this side, what a huge area. You can see it's not enough to. What are you thinking? Just you are thinking, yes, you are right. But I don't know. What are you thinking? But I'm thinking right now, it look like very sloppy soil and fallout mini soils because flash flood. And flash flood is not good for us. It's very bad situation for us. Can you believe that right now I find out a beautiful lily in this pond? Look at this lily. The lily look like so little, but I'm not going there for the keeping lily. I'm just enjoying that moment. I have a reason why I came here in this place. It's not enough for yourself just practicing English in your rooms. Like me, you can practice English at everywhere. I think it is the best place for you practicing English. I know you don't have a proper time for practicing English, but when you have a good time, spend your time for the practicing English. Don't waste your time for any other irrelevant work. It doesn't suit for you. I think so. If you are a smart guy, if you are a smart girl, just thinking about it. After 1 year, after 4 years, when you have completed your graduation, like that, you are not that type unemployment guy. You're like that own entrepreneurship. You are the most successful, very succeed entrepreneur. What people call to you? Hey, Angkan, you are so merciful and very kindful. I'm feeling good that moment. I'm waiting for that moment. People just call me. You are doing this. You you can you are really doing this. I know we don't have a successful life. Our life is not successful. You are thinking, what is successful in your life? And some wise people says, our life is not full of successful. We have a lots of destiny. We have a lots of journey in our life. Just thinking about it. Are you thinking like that? Are you in relationship? Are you staying single? It doesn't matter. I know you are loyal girl or loyal guy. It doesn't matter. But keep in your mind, just think about it. What do you want? What do you want to do? It's really helpful for you. After just 1 year, you have a time. Keep in your mind if you want to go outside, if you are doing, if you want to be reach in your goal, your destination. I know you have a good skill, the music. As usual, you are nurse. As usual, you are doctor. As usual, you are fluent speaker. As usual, you are content creator. As usual, you are computer operator. As usual, you are freelancer. As usual, you are fisherman. As usual, you are rickshaw fuller. As usual, you are daily labor. As usual, you are hardworking man. It doesn't matter. You have a own identity. Don't sign this what you are, what really you are. It's your work. You need to love to do any works. I'm not feeling shy because I love to do my works. Sometimes I'm a student. Sometimes I'm kind of a farmer. Sometimes kind of a boatman. Sometimes a hiking man. I'm always trying to do all of works because I think so. Our life is full of destiny. We don't know what will happen in your life and what situation you belong to for the future. That's why I'm ready for all kinds of situationship. I'm ready for all kinds of work. But I'm not useful for edit work. Sometimes I'm doing some edit work for my passion, which I really need to do this. That's the reason. Are you originated from America? Are you originated from Japan? Are you originated from Canada? Are you originated from Australia? Are you originated from India? Are you originated from Chittagong hill treks are you originated from Dhaka, from Bogura? It doesn't matter. Just keep in your mind what you want.